Since I chose a blank slide for my next one, I'm going to have to add a text box in order to get typing on here. To add a text box, we're going to go to Insert, the Insert tab at the top. You go all the way over to Text Box right here, click on it, and then drag a text box out. In order to do that, you just click down and drag your mouse across until you've got kind of a large area. Since I have filled out my PowerPoint project worksheet, I know that I have 4 facts I'm going to put on here, so I'm going to make 4 different slides. And the first one is going to be an elephant can suck as much as 2 gallons of water into its trunk at a time. So that's what I'm going to type in my text box here. Okay, that looks kind of boring to me, so I think I'd like to make the font a little bit bigger and change it to the same font that I used on the title slide. I'm going to go ahead and change the font. Remember that those recently used fonts are still there for you. And you can either make it bigger by, if you click on the box or select everything, you can click this big A, makes it bigger, or you can choose a size that you want. I kind of like that. So then I'm going to move it to where I want. I'll probably move it somewhere different once I add pictures. That's it for my second slide. I'm going to go on to slide number 3. I think I'm going to pick the same blank slide that I did last time. Add a text box that is again an insert text box, and then you drag it out and type in there. You can go ahead and finish your slides that have your facts on it. One more thing that might be useful is if you want to keep the same slide and the same size of font, you can, when you go to New Slide, click on the New Slide words. You can go down to Duplicate Selected Slides. So what that's going to do is just copy exactly the same slide that I have now. Same words and everything. So obviously I don't want to keep these same words on here because I already have a slide with that on there, but you can select all the words and just start typing your new fact. Alright, don't forget to save every once in a while because you never know if your computer might shut down or you might accidentally log out without saving. I like to save about every 3 or 4 minutes or so just to be safe. Again, you can either click on the Save at the top in the Quick Access toolbar, or you can do your Control S for a shortcut.